Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Rose in her Apateu music video. So let's get started. To draw a cute Rose, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There, so now my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom and same thing over here. So now that we have the eyes in, let's go ahead and spruce them up about right here with some lashes. So I'll just draw two, one shorter and then one longer one. So same thing here. And then we're going to come to the top about right here and just draw a soft curve. Little angle line for her brow. And then same thing on the other side about right here. There. And then let's give Rose a sweet smile. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve and then bring it up slightly and cap it off. Then from there, let's frame her face. So because she has some strands of hair that falls to the side of her face, I'm not going to come to the top of the eye. I'm just going to come down a little bit, maybe like this lash right here, and come to the side, right about here, next to the eye, and give myself a point. So same thing here. And then we're going to use that as a guide to go ahead and draw her face. So just kind of like a bottom of a U. We're going to go around her eye. Then I'm going to kind of find my center, so about right here, and just imagine how low I want her chin to be. So say about right here. And I'll just use that as my guide to draw a curve coming down. So same thing on the other side. Just makes it a little bit easier to see where I'm going since I'm drawing kind of big. There. So now I have her face framed in. Then let's just imagine her head as an oval. So the top, let's just say about right here in the center area, kind of where her forehead would be. I'm going to give myself a point right about there. And we're going to draw two strands of hair. So we're going to wobble it because it's curly. So I'll say about right here. I'm just going to come down and we're going to go over her brow, over her eye actually, and then come out. And let's thicken this up. Oh, it's easier this way. So I'm just going to follow what I drew and connect it. So same thing on this side. Come down where her eye is and then thicken it up. So I was trying to simplify it as much as possible, but yet still drawing the strands. So there, now we have these two strands in. Let's come back about right here and here. So where her head's going to start, and then right about here, center to about there. Then we're going to go up on both sides. And then we're going to come down to draw the top of her head, kind of angle a little bit, and then bring it down and in. So same thing here. Just angle a little bit, down and in. Just give a little bit of an angle so that's not just a big smooth curve. Let's give it some angles. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's draw the cutest part of her hair. And you know what, since I have this curl right here, it's kind of perfect in this area. I'm just going to kind of just connect that for her ear. And then on this side, I guess I could draw a little bit more of her ear right there. And then this side, we'll just see a little bit. So I just draw a little curve. And then, oh, sorry. And then, like I said, the cutest part of her hair are these two buns. So I'm going to come about right here And I'm just going to kind of wobble my way and bring it in. I love her hair. It's just so cute. It's so rose. And then maybe just draw some strands popping out here and there just to make it extra cute if you like. And when you're coloring, you can put in some, just some swirls to give it some texture. So all the curls in her hair. And then so same thing on the other side, about right here. Now once again, we're just going to wobble our way. And about right there. There, and then so same thing, just add some strands here and there. And once again, some curves to make it, give it some texture. And here as well. There, so hopefully you like how that turned out. And then we can go ahead and draw her body. So I'm going to come back to the center, right here and here. Give her a little neck, and then we're going to come down. So same thing here, come down. So we're going to come down to about there. And the reason is before I round off her shoulders, I'm going to come right about here and draw her tank top. So we're just going to curve down to kind of where her armpit area would be. And same thing here, curve down to where her armpit would be. And then we're going to use that as our guide to come out. I think that's a little bit easier than drawing the shoulders first. And then from there, let's come back and finish off this tank top. Right here, we're just going to connect it with a curve on both sides. There. And let's bring this down a little bit more. And about right there, we're just going to go ahead and connect with a wobble for her tank top. And let's see, then we can, before I forget, I'm going to come right here and give her a necklace all the way down, and then just add a heart right here. And then let's come in right here, give her a waist, so about right here and here. And we're going to connect it with a curve to draw her skirt. So let's come out. And same thing here, we're just going to go down. And from there, let's keep going down for her mini skirt. So let's say about right there. Now that we're about the same level, let's go ahead and connect it at a curve. And then before we finish this curve, we need to go up and give it a little notch and then continue. And since we're here, let's draw her legs. So center, go to the left, center, go to the right. So using that as your guide, her hips, her legs are going to come out about right here. So I'm going to work on this one. And we're just going to go straight down at an angle. And we're just going to get thinner as we go down to her ankles. So let's say about right there. And we're just building her legs and coming straight down. So say about right there. And I'm going to stop because I need to give her a pair of socks. And keep continuing. And then about right there, we're going to stop and then flare it out for her shoes. So this part is going to be a little bit straighter. Flare this part out and round it off. And connect. There. And then for the details, right here, draw a curve, another curve, and another one right here. And you can come in here, 2 lines and some curves for the shoelace. Just a simplified way to draw it. So same thing over here. Stop at the same area and same thing. About right there and connect, and then socks. And once again, come down and curve, and this part flares out a little bit more and connect. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's draw her arms. So this one I'm having on her hips, so we're going to come back to this area where her armpits are, and we're going to come down. Her hips are about right here, so here, and then we're going to angle in, and then little angle for her hand. Let's come right here, round off her shoulder, and we're just going to thicken it up and bring it in, and then about right there, angle a little bit more, and then her fingers. And then on this side, I'm just going to have it to her side, so let's come right by here and then curve for her shoulder area, curve down, and about right there we're going to come in where her waist is and then come back out. So we're going to have her hands a little bit about here below her skirt. So you can come about right here and just draw a thumb, go around for the fingers, and then about right here we're just going to angle it out. There. So hopefully that helps, and I'm just going to leave it because it's just so minor where I should put a line for where her hand is, so I think we don't need it. But if your hand's further out, then you might need to put another line right there for the other edge of her arm. Okay, so then from there, let's draw some details on her skirt. We need to draw a belt. I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. I'm going to thicken up this belt. There's a lot of details on it, so I'm just trying to minimize it. I'm just going to come right here in the center for a buckle. And then there's another belt. We're just going to kind of go as slant right here. If you like, you can pop it out. Same thing here. Just pop it out. And then I believe there's the actual belt is going this way. And then there's a buckle right here. And like I said, I'm just going to draw in only the necessary details. So some circles right here and circle right there. And let's see, hopefully I have everything. I have my heart to make this my Draw So Cute Rose. And hopefully that is pretty much it, and that you love this drawing. I really love this music video of hers, and her outfit and her hair I think is just so cute. So I had to draw it for you today. I really hope I helped you draw Rose here from her Apateu music video, and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.